Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can watch anime full episodes for free and legally. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to watch anime full episodes for free and legally, it's actually pretty easy, just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to download a certain app first, since we will use that app to watch anime. So for that, I want you to go to your App Store if you're using an iPhone, or Play Store if you're on Android. Either way, the app we will download is available on both of them. And once you're on your App Store or Play Store, I want you to search this. And after searching, you will now be able to see the app right here, so you can now download it. By the way guys, if you're not familiar with this app is called Bilibili. Bilibili is a popular video streaming platform where people can watch anime, shows, movies, and user-uploaded content. It's especially known for its large anime library and an active community that shares videos, comments, and live streams, and the anime the platform offers are licensed and legal. And once the installation is finished, you can now open it. And here's the app Bilibili guys. So to watch anime on this app, you just need to go to the anime section by selecting this anime tab at the top. And then there it is guys. You will now see a lot of animes you can watch here. These animes have full episodes and series, so just select whatever you like. And after selecting the anime, the episode will automatically start playing, but I'm sorry guys, I have censored the episode to avoid copyright, but in your case, once you selected the anime, the episode will automatically start, and you can also select a certain episode part right here. There are really a lot of popular anime to watch here guys, so you will definitely like this app, and you can also filter the genre or category to only see the anime of your taste. Just take your time on exploring this app and enjoy on watching. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.